And then what I'm going to do is put this around. Let's see, where is it? Here we are. We need a little bit of water right here at the bottom. And this pearls, which are going to go right. Whoops. Like I said, it's okay if it breaks. No big deal. Well, obviously it didn't stick that well enough. Let me get my toothpick. Help me out. There we go. Let's press it in. Did I get it in there? I sure did. Okay, and we'll continue on the rest of the way around. You can kind of see the little joint. There we go. One more piece. Okay. Okay, we have another pine cone that we made. Let me cut his bottom. Otherwise he's not going to fit on here. I made another pine cone with my mold. And I want to put him on the bottom of this C, which is why we have room at the bottom here. He's going to go at the bottom right there. You can put some water on there to keep him on. But actually, right now I'm just going to press him in. It's actually working really well. And then I'm going to put a couple pine needles on that. I'm just going to tuck them underneath there. It's hard working upside down. Very short little pine needles. And put the pine cone back in.